Hey everybody, I wanted to show you where I'm using the containers of the month at. The first one is right here. I have my 6x6 papers in here, and down at the bottom, my 8x8 papers. And if you remember, those are the ones with the lids on them. The lids I decided to keep over here. I'm not sure exactly where they're going to live, but I'm going to use these as trays when I start looking for put things together. I can grab the things I want to use for a layout and use them as a tray. So for now, they're living here. Up here, I still keep my embellishing, anything with journaling, because I have to get better at my journaling, and I have to get better using these because I do keep them. I love the way they look. I'm just not good at using them. So that's going to live up there. And the other one I have in here, and this is when I go through when I'm looking for something for one of my layouts, when I find something that's in there, I will go ahead and pull it because I know I want to use it for a certain layout. So that's what some of these things here are. And these are the new things I picked up from Joann's. And they're going to be great for titles. I don't want to go search for them. So I'm leaving them here so that I can find them to use. So that's that one. And then what else? Oh, over here. Right over here, there's my container with my pencils in it. Right here by my computer. And right here are my favorites. My absolute all-time favorites is these small little containers. This is full of buttons. And then I have my brads in there. And I have other embellishing things in these other two here. And they live right here on my desk so that I can remember to pick them up and use them. So they're right here, front and center. So you guys go get your containers. I'll be back again because I'm always looking for containers and I would love to share them with you.